You are broke because you think like an employee. Stop charging by the hour. Stop charging by the day. When you give your client a day rate, you are telling them that you are a commodity. You are telling them that your value is tied to the clock, not the result. The wealthy do not sell time, they sell assets. We need to shift your mental model from service provider to asset manager. When I fly for a mining client, I do not charge them for the 2 hours I'm on site. I charge them for the liability I remove. I charge them for the data I capture. If I get the shot in 20 minutes, I still get paid the full fee. That's the difference between a wage and a profit. Look at the math. Column A is you charging $1,000 a day. You are capped. You cannot fly more than 300, maybe 300 days a year. You have a ceiling. Column B is project pricing. You charge $5,000 for the asset. You fly for 1 hour. You go home, you scale. The math does not care about your feelings. You might say, but Rod, the client asked for a day rate. That is a test. They are testing to see if you are professional or a rookie. High-value clients want a fixed price because it lowers their risk. They do not want to pay for your slow setup. They want the result. When you give a fixed price, you look like a partner. When you give a day rate, you look like help. Stop guessing. I built a calculator that proves exactly why you are stuck. It's called the Commercial Revenue Forecaster. It shows you exactly how many projects you need to hit $100,000 or $1 million. Download it, plug in your numbers, see the truth. Link is below. Stop playing pilot and start building your empire. I see you on the next one.